Envy 2600 embroidery frame. So what I've noticed is that there's quite a lot of black stuff on this rail. You can see I've actually cleaned out quite a bit of it, and it's really sticky, and it will stop this whole frame from moving to the left and the right easily. So I'll just show you what happens here. I'm just going to wipe it clean in there on that rail where it runs, and it's like all really black sticky stuff, and it's preventing it from running. And then the other thing that I noticed as well was where this little slider runs. I'm just going to pull this out, pull the back of it. There's all this gunk in here, like really sticky stuff. I've cleaned some of it out already, and it's actually quite hard. You really got to, but it all sits underneath between the metal rail and the little guide. It's really, really messy. So yes, I just got to clean it out. I'm just going to need something longer to get it up with. See if that will get it out. Yeah, so you can see it's like really black stuff, although it's mixed with a bit of oil there. But yeah, you just got to clean that out. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Make sure we get it nice and clean in there. Come in from the side. Yeah, because there's a lot of black stuff and it's really sticky. Yeah, that's why I prefer using like silicone spray instead of using oil to lubricate it, because oil gets sticky, it attracts a lot of dirt and it can actually clog it up. So yeah, just using some silicone spray just to lubricate the plastic parts. We're good enough. So just going to clean inside that rail, make sure that's all nice and clean just in there. Although there's quite a bit of dirt stuck in there, I just want to get a new cloth because that's getting too messy now. Just got a small little piece. We can just get in there, just clean that rail out again. Okay, so I'm just going to move this back again. Get in from the other side. Yeah, just be careful when you move this, you don't damage your cord, because that'll be quite hard to repair and replace that. So I'm just cleaning that out. And I'm just going to get a longer little needle for that to clean that out. Okay, so I'm going to get just a long little cloth and just work it in there to something finer, because there's this very small gap in there. Just going to move it out. Just going to feed it in like that. So I can actually get it to the bottom of this. So I can actually floss it out because there's a lot of dirt stuck in there that I just can't reach. You can see this little rag's really getting so black and dark from all the black stuff stuck in. Yeah, you can just see all the blackness. It's like quite very sticky. It almost sticks my fingers together. So I'm just going to feed that through again so we can get it out. Yeah, I'm always a bit cautious using any kind of cleaning material because you don't want to damage any of the little sensors and the plastic in there. So you just be very careful of that. Yeah, so this is actually cleaning it up quite nicely. But still well stuck in there. So I'm just going to cut like a new piece of rag so that I can get in there. So I've got this long one. See if I can get that in there. Might be a little bit thick though. I'm going to try and work it in. Okay, so the top is quite clean now. Now I just need to get through the bottom. It's a huge mess. I'm going to try feed it in. What I'll do actually, I'll lift it up so I can just show you. I don't know if you can see in there, but you can see it's like a little groove, and you just need to get it out. So I'm busy just cleaning that out. The dirt's like, just gonna hold like that, it's stuck just underneath that slider in there. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to get it in there. I'm gonna slide this down a little bit. Yeah, this is so grimy. I'll have to give it a good clean afterwards as well. Swipe off all the black stuff. Yeah, I'm struggling to get it at the bottom as well because that's been really dirty. But that's much better already. Just still need to get a little bit more out. and just shove that in there. And I can give it a, oh yeah, in fact, oh, there you go. Now I've got it in. And that will push out all the dirt. I'm just getting that bottom layer I couldn't get in it, just making sure getting it all out. And just make sure I don't leave any cotton behind. Anyway, that's, yeah, so I've just cleaned that out. See if there's anything else in there. No, it's dirty, this stuff. But anyway, so yeah, so that'll clean it, that part out. And then we just got to check with this that there's not any more gunk left. So here we're just going to make sure we clean it up. So I think it's sort of from the belt, all the belt frays a bit, and then you just get all the black stuff coming out. Awesome, cool. And then once I put it back together, I will come back again. Thanks for watching. Cheers.